Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla if he was in the Super Mario Bros. Universe. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Godzilla as a Mario character, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then we're going to curve it up like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve a line down here. Next, we're just going to make a little curve here. Then I'm going to draw a skinny oval shape. And then I'm going to make just a small oval shape in here and then kind of color in a little bit around there. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of come up and down here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come out. And then I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to make this go across. And then we're going to come down and then up here. We'll make two little curvy bumps for the nose. Then right here, we're going to make another line that's just going to kind of curve up and down for the other part of the eye. And we'll bring this line down. We'll make another skinny oval shape and just kind of color in most of it. Then I'm going to curve this line right to here. I'm going to draw a little curve here. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and I'm going to bring this up here. For some teeth, we'll just make some kind of like pointed, round teeth in here. And then we'll do a couple here, and then we'll make a few more coming up here. Right here, I'm going to draw this line up to here. And I'm going to bring this out, and let's make a couple little bumps right here. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, and then up and down. Then we'll just connect it here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down to here. Next, we'll go ahead and draw a little line for the tongue. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to curve down, and we're going to come right to about here. Then let's go ahead and draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. We'll make this line come down. Then we're going to bring this up with a point. We'll make this line come over and bring it up with a point. Then we'll make this one kind of bring it up, and we'll kind of curve it down. We'll make all these kind of curve down just a bit. Next, we're just going to curve up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve this line out and bring it in. We're going to make this come down to a point and bring it over for one of the toes. We'll do one here and then one more right there. We're going to bring this over and up, and then we're going to curve it to here. Now let's bring this line down just a little bit. We're going to bring this line out and then into here. We'll kind of curve a line here, and then we'll bring this line out. Let's make a line that's going to curve down and come up here. We'll make one that's going to come down in here. Then we'll make one more right here. Over here, let's draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring it out. We're going to curve this around to a point and bring it up. We'll do one here. And then we'll do one more here. For the thumb, we'll kind of curve this around to here. We'll make a line that connects, and then a line right here towards the body. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to curl this up to here. Make it a little bit pointy, and then we're going to make it get nice and big as it comes back towards the leg. Next, right here, let's draw a line that's going to come down, and then right to here. And then we're just going to curl this right over towards the tail. Let's go ahead and make some small curved lines on here, just to give him a little bit of detail and a little bit of like a scaly texture. We're going to continue this right down here, all the way. Now let's give him some more spikes. Let's begin by making some more points, and this time we'll do like a 3-pointed one. Then we'll just kind of continue with some more. You can do some 3 and even some 4-pointed spikes. Make him get nice and big back here towards the middle of his back. And then we can start going back to those smaller 3-pointed ones. And we'll do just a little 2-pointed one at the end. Now, for a little bit of detail, I'm going to kind of curve this line down here. And I'm going to give him a couple little lines right here by the back of his eye. We'll also make a little curve here. Let's do some rounded shapes on his claws, just so we can kind of show where each of those claws are going to be. We'll do that same thing to the toes as well. Just kind of make a little curve right on each one. And there you go. There is your drawing of what Godzilla would look like if he was in the Super Mario universe. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.